Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a metadata file. First, understand that a metadata file describes other data, making it discoverable and usable. Begin by identifying the core information you need to capture, such as data types and descriptions. Next, select a suitable file format, like CSV or XML, based on your system's requirements. Finally, ensure your source data is clean and organized before you start building the file. When building your metadata file, certain elements are crucial. Every record needs a unique identifier to distinguish it from others. Clearly specify the data type for each field, whether it's text, a number, or a date, to prevent errors. Use consistent and descriptive field names, avoiding abbreviations where possible. Also, include descriptive labels or definitions for each field, explaining its content and purpose to anyone using your data. Proper formatting is vital for a functional metadata file. Opt for a structured format like CSV for tabular data or XML and JSON for more complex hierarchical structures. Always use a consistent character encoding, with UTF-8 being a widely recommended standard. Organize your data logically, using clear columns or nested elements. Finally, validate your file against a schema or template to ensure it adheres to the expected structure and data types, preventing common errors. To ensure your metadata file remains effective, follow these best practices. Implement version control to track all modifications, allowing you to revert if necessary. Periodically review and update your metadata to reflect any changes in your data or its context. Always test your completed metadata file with the systems or applications that will consume it, confirming compatibility. Lastly, document your metadata standards and guidelines, providing clear instructions for future use and maintenance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.